magtiwala lang ang mga kababayan natin sa Supreme Court. Yung mga maestrado natin, 15 magagaling na mga maestrado yan. Kaya sila 15 para siguraduhin na hindi naman palyado talaga yung mga desisyon na. So, have faith and makikita nyo naman yung sa mga desisyon nila na may basihan. I'm Attorney Romulo A. Paras Jr., General Counsel in the Judicial Integrity Board of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. So the Judicial Integrity Board essentially handles or evaluates mga complaints against court personnel. That's basically the function of the JIB. Tapos yung office ko specifically handles anonymous complaints against court personnel. Tinitingnan namin kung may basihan naman yung complaint. Tapos kung wala, recommend namin sa Supreme Court na i-dismiss na siya. Pero kung meron, we also gumagawa din kami ng complaint against them para sagutin naman nila. We are around 100 personnel kasi yung pinaka-board namin consists of 5 retired justices, 2 from the Supreme Court, 1 from the Court of Appeals, 1 from the Sandigan Bayan, 1 from the CTA. Yung pinaka-idol ko kasi yung tatay ko. So nung batang-bata ako, gusto ko sana, electrical engineer kasi siya. So I wanted to be an electrical engineer din. Kaso sabi niya, wag. Hindi naman niya na-explain sa akin kung bakit. Tapos ang gusto niya talaga, maging lawyer ako. So initially, hindi ko masyadong gusto yung idea, pero nagustuhan ko na rin nung launan. Nung grade school, very studious nung grade school. Tapos nung high school, medyo mas relaxed na. Pero in general, talagang masayahin ako as na bata. So medyo na-carry over naman ngayon. Very happy-go-lucky kumbaga nung around the high school time. Medyo na-carry rin sa college. Pero nung after college, nang seryoso na sa law school. Actually, yung track ko ngayon sa government, na-realize ko lang when I started practicing. So after I graduated, normally kasi practice yan private muna. So nag-private practice ako for 2 years. Doon ko na-realize, ayoko masyado yung nagta-travel. Saka yung paiba-ibang korte, ganyan. Mas gusto ko mas stable. So kaya ako sinubukan yung government. Ayun, nagustuhan ko naman. Actually, yung isang boss ko kay Justice Velasco, I was a court attorney in his office. Mahigit 1 dekada ako doon. Kulang-kulang 12 years ako doon. I started sa Philippine Judicial Academy, pero buwan lang yun. Kasi after a few months, I already applied for the office ni Justice Velasco. Tapos luckily enough, nakakuha naman ako. Tapos since gusto ko nga yung steady na stable job lang talaga, desk job lang talaga gusto ko yun. Halos 12 years ako doon until nag-retire si Justice Velasco. After noon, napunta ako sa House of Representatives Electoral Tribunal. Pero hindi kasi legal yung work ko doon. So hindi ko masyadong hindi ako napirmi doon talaga. Bumalik rin ako dito sa office of ACA Gina Ignacio sa OCA, Office of the Court Administrator. Tapos actually, doon pa lang, I was already handling administrative cases against court personnel. Tapos after, I think, 2 years, 3 years, nabuo tong Judicial Integrity Board. Tapos nag-apply ako, tapos nakuha naman ako. I've been here 18 years. Yung mga naipon, mga naipondar, Supreme Court galing So gusto kong to return the favor, kumbaga, Supreme Court, to serve them naman na this is a role or this is a function that they want to implement na malinis yung judiciary to maintain yung integrity. So, I'm trying to help lang. Yun lang, tulong lang sa judiciary. Ako si Attorney Romulo A. Paras Jr., General Counsel ng Judicial Integrity Board, ang inyong public servant.